Great day, everyone! Welcome to HOMESEARCH.PH house tour. For today, we will check this brand new modern contemporary house here in BF Homes Paranaque. But before we start, please click the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you will be notified of the new videos of houses that can be your next home. For updated and complete list of houses for sale or for rent, please visit our website at www.homesearch.ph and like us on Facebook, HOMESEARCH.PH. My name is Eva, I'm your host for today, and let's check this brand new house. We are here inside a subdivision within a subdivision. That means double security. So if you are looking for a safe place for your family, then BF Homes is the place to be. To give you some trivia about BF Homes is the largest subdivision in Asia. It covers 3 cities, Paranaque, Las Piñas, and Muntinlupa, Paranaque being the biggest part. And it has 82 enclaves or mini subdivision within the big subdivision. And 95% of the enclaves are gated and has its own 24/7 security, just like this village. So the lot area of this property is 189 square meter and the floor area is 300 square meter. And the frontage of this property is 12 meters. So let's check this out. We will enter to this pedestrian gate. So immediately you will see your landscape garden. It's fully landscaped. It has ornamental plants and it has steps. So let's check the side. So you have your Bermuda grass. And there's a big plant here opposite your window on the living area. So there's a patch of greens when you see this from the inside. And this is your lanai opposite your dining area. And that way leads to the driver's room with its own soiler and bath. Now, let's see the other side. Follow me. So, you have still your garden here. And now we are approaching to your garage. This is 2-car garage, fully covered, so whenever there's rain, you don't need to worry. And even if there's a lot of very hot during the day, it's still okay. And this is the way towards your service area. Let's see. So there's a small door here, and that is your storage area. The big door is the door to your main kitchen, and of course, the maid's room with its own soiler and bath. Remember, this side we have the maid's room, and on the other side we have your driver's room. Now let's see the main door. Let's go inside the house. I'm here now at the main entrance. So this door is a solid wood panel door. It's a little bit bigger than the usual. Let me open the door for you and let me welcome you to your brand new house. So this is your combined living and dining area. This is a good layout because it has a lot of breathable space and natural lights. And this window, the panoramic windows, and this big sliding door, and this awning type windows, they are the source of the natural light of this house. So if you notice, the house is maliwalas, maliwanag, and mahangin. So this is your dining area. You can put about 6-seater or 8-seater here. And if you have family gatherings, you can invite your friends, you have your birthdays, you can extend your living area up to the lanai. And here's your kitchen. So we have a countertop here. This can serve as your breakfast nook. You can just put a stool here, and it can also be a buffet table because it's immediately beside your dining area or dining table. And this is where you put your refrigerator. This is wide, so you can buy 2 or double door fridge. And this is where you can put your stove And there's a provision for range food. This is your sink, of course, and if you notice, there's a window. It's very necessary because it gives a lot of light to the kitchen area. And you have a lot of kitchen cabinets. So there's a lot of room for storage. And this gray countertop, it's white backsplash, and the gray kitchen combined together, they blend together. So your kitchen looks more beautiful and elegant. By the way, this door is the door going to the service area and to your maid's room. Let's see other room. So I'll open this door as your bedroom number 1. So this is a corner room. That means you have 2 windows. And that 2 windows gives you a good ventilation, cross ventilation. So this room is always mahangin every time you open the windows. This can also be your TV area because there's also a spot where you can put your television. But this can also be a bedroom for your elderly who doesn't want to climb upstairs. If you notice, you have your floor-to-ceiling cabinet. So this can also be your office. Now let's see the second floor. So this is your staircase. It's bright in here because of this window that overlooks your garage. Thanks to this window. And we have a nice landing here, double landing. And of course, thanks to this large fixed window, it's tall because it gives so much sunshine to your staircase. So maliwanag every daytime here in your staircase. So, this is what you will notice. You have your large family area. This family area can be considered as the second floor sala. You have your accent wall with wallpaper, and you have your outlet for your TV. So whenever you want to put a TV here, you can invite your friends or your relatives. You can stay in here, and you can extend this family area up to the balcony. If you notice, it's very clear. Because of this large sliding door, it gives so much light to this area. So it's very good because it's beside the balcony. So let's see the balcony. As I can see, there's a lot of new houses, new neighbors, newly built houses, just like this house. So that means you have a good neighborhood, and this is quite a big space. So if you intend to put an outdoor or living room set here, that's possible. And if you're a plant enthusiast, you love plants, you can put potted plant here or there, especially those plants that require sunlight or direct sunlight. Very good here. So this can be your mini garden on your second floor. So let's try to look at the bedrooms now. We'll pass again through this family area. Quite spacious. And here is your bedroom number 2. Also a corner room, you know, corner room is very the nicest room in the house because it has double windows. That windows again gives ventilation. So whenever you open the windows, the house is clear and breezy. And of course, you have your own toilet and bath. There's your pedestal sink, your water closet, and your shower area. And of course, your floor-to-ceiling cabinet. By the way, the flooring is all laminated wood flooring, scratch-free, easy to maintain, and easy to clean. Let's check other bedrooms. By the way, I saw the plug for cable. So you want to put a TV, that's still possible. Let's see bedroom number 3. Just beside bedroom number 1. It's your bedroom number 3. So same as bedroom number 2, your bedroom number 3 has a floor-to-ceiling cabinet, spacious, and has its own toilet and bath. We'll check that out. So let's see the final and last bedroom on this house. And that is your master's bedroom. Let's check. So this is the master's bedroom. You have your headboard. This is wallpaper, king-size bed fits in here. You have a lot of windows and an outlet for your lampshade, your side tables. So this is quite a good space. And this space, you have this little space here. This space can be your office or your TV area wherein you can watch your favorite Netflix series. You can just enjoy and relax just near your master's bedroom. And this is the way towards that master's toilet and bath. It has its walk-in closet up to the wall. So, we have seen all the bedrooms here at the second floor. Let's have a recap downstairs. Come on! So let's have a recap. This lot is 189 square meter and the floor area is 300 square meter. This is a brand new house, newly built, modern contemporary design. It has a total of 6 bedrooms, 6 toilet and bath, and your 2-car garage. And that concludes our house tour for today. Please share this video to your friends or families that might be interested in this house. Or if you want to see this house personally, you just have to call us on our numbers on the description box below. And please leave us a message if you find this house interesting. If you are a seller or a property owner and you have a property to sell, you just have to email us at homesearch.ph@gmail.com. And for more house tour and videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Home Search Philippines, where dream homes are found. Once again, I'm Eva. Thank you very much for watching. Have a safe day. God bless us all. And I will see you on our next video.